Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you look at your Tenere 700, on top of the forks, there's a little screw that if you remove the screw, it releases any pressure that might build up in the forks. On all my dirt bikes, I ran the quick fork bleeders to release the air. So I was going to do that on the Tenere. I'm not sure if it's really needed or not, but typically if you're doing harder rides off-road, the oil heats up and kind of causes the pressure. So it's good to release some of that pressure. So Motion Pro, which I'll put in the description, the actual part number, they have these little micro bleeders that basically just take the screw off the top of your forks, and these go in the same spot, and you just press on top to release the air. So I have the bike on a stand to relieve the forks from being compressed, and now it's just a matter of removing that factory screw and replacing it with what Motion Pro recommends for the bike. So I'll come on the top of the fork here, and right towards the top here is that flathead screw that needs to get removed. There's one on each fork, so it's just as simple as that. We'll go ahead and remove that. Okay, so we got our flat blade here. Just go ahead and position it in a spot where you can get good access to it. Then I'll break loose. So I actually heard some air come out, so maybe it is needed. But you see, it's just a tiny screw. Go ahead and put it in a bag and put it with the rest of your parts. So here's the new one. Make sure that your O-ring came out with your other one. And if that's the case, just go ahead and put that in. So if you look on the top of this, you'll see two grooves cut out on each side of the button to accept a larger flathead. And these don't need to be ridiculously tight, just want to snug it down. So I'll go ahead and do the other side, but it's basically the mirror image, and there's nothing really special to the other side. So if you guys have any questions, just comment below and I'll do my best to reply. All right, thank you.